Hello everyone, welcome back. So last lesson we have added template for our Angular 2 login part so that when we actually come to the home page, it will look like this. We also added the router functionality to our Angular 2 app as well. And in order to finish this login method, we need to modify some of the content at the backend. So the first thing is that we need to change the default port number for our backend. So by default, the port number is 8080, right? So we can change it to 8181. This is not necessary, this is not required, but since I have modified the services, like the login service here, we have 8181. So we want to make it consistent. Okay, just to let you know. And after that, if we come to our request filter, there's actually one thing we missed last time. Here we have implements filter as the interface. Okay, and this should be coming from Javax servlet filter. Alright. And besides that, we need to define a login resource to match up with the /token endpoint. Remember that in our services, we are hitting this token endpoint to fetch the, generate token for our session, right? But we haven't mapped it up yet. So let's create a new folder, and we're gonna call it resource. And within this resource folder, we're gonna create a new class called login resource. So as this naming convention difference you can see, because we are providing a REST API endpoints, so we're gonna call it a resource. But like in the other course, the complete e-commerce course, we actually call it controller instead of resource, because it's pretty much more like a controller. When a user send a request to the backend, controller take care of the backend and do some manipulation and send the response to the front end. Okay, so that makes more sense to call it controller. But here we are providing API as REST resources. That's why we are calling this as login resource. And we're gonna have a REST controller annotation so that the incoming and outgoing objects will be serialized automatically. Okay. User service. And we're gonna define a request mapping /token public. We're gonna define the map, type of string, and it will be HTTP session, HTTP servlet request. Okay. And we're gonna just print out the request. This one should be host. And then we're going to define a port number equals to request get remote port And we're gonna return a connections singleton map. We have a token and session ID. And then let's just start the application. Okay, the application started. And then let's come back to our front end. Oops, looks like there's something wrong. Failed to compile. Cannot find module app.routing. That's under app.module.ts, line 5. Let's go take a look. App.module.ts, line 5. Cannot find the module app.routing. Do we have the app.routing.ts? Yeah, it's right here. Alright, let's stop the service and run it again. Okay, start successfully this time, and that's good. Let's try to log in. Okay, doesn't look that correct. And let's see what's really going on. By bringing up the console, you can press F12 if you're using Windows, or if you are using Mac, you can use some shortcut. I don't quite remember now, but basically you can bring up the console, which is here, and we monitor network traffic. So we have the token generated just now, and then the page got refreshed, so the traffic lost. So let's just come to our component.ts, comment this reload page out. And clear what we have so far. Click on login. Okay, we do have the token transaction. The first one, alright, let's bring it up here. The first one is the options, which is a pre-flight, and the status code is 200, which means it's good. So the backend is working. And then the second one is the get method to try to get the token. And what does the response say? We do get the token. And if we come back to our console, and we have the result printed out, which is good. Okay. And then let's take a look. The login window is gone. That's because we have a flag saying that if the login is true, the whole login part will be hidden. And in order to distinguish from that, we can add another division. And this hidden property will be the reverse logic of logged in. And what it does is basically showing that you have logged in. Okay. Come back to your admin portal. So JP login. So you have login. That's good. All right. So that's pretty much for this lesson. We'll continue in the next one. See you guys in the next video. Bye.